So today we're going to do some problems involving the standard normal curve. The standard normal curve looks like a bell shape, right? The mean is at 0, and one standard deviation to one side, that's about 67% of the area under the curve. So the one thing to note is that we will probably be using area and the word probability synonymously. That they're exactly the same thing, because this is a probability distribution. Unlike the last chapter where we were discrete, where it was little squares, this time it's now continuous. Alright, so we're looking for areas. We're going to do some problems using table E from the book. That's this one right here. Notice it has an E up in the top, and it says standard normal curve. Alright, now one of the key things for these tables is that if you look at the bottom, and my little camera thing here is in the way. Let's see, so if you look at the bottom, they have this picture, and they tell you the area that you're looking up. Okay, so we're going to get something like, let's suppose we have Z, because this is the Z axis, like this. Z is less than or equal to 1.23, something like that. Alright, so what this number is here is on this number line, we find the number 1.23. And now what this function, or the probability, or the area is doing is it finds the area below, like this, and this is what the table will do, is it finds this entire area all the way going to negative infinity. So from negative infinity up to 1.23, we're going to find this on the table, and that'll tell us the area. It will also tell us the probability when that's necessary for a problem. So now you'll notice that on this side there's negatives, and up on top there's these two decimal places. These numbers are going to go together, and there's two of these. One of them have positive and one of them have negative. Now the way you read this is, are on the vertical you have those two numbers, and on the horizontal on the top you have that number. And so that's what we're going to look for. So we're going to look for 1.2 on the side and a 0.03 on top, like that, to make up our number. So you'll notice that we go to 1.2 and then 0.03, and they come together right here at 0.8907, and that would be the area, 0.8907. Now these answers will always be less than 1 because the total area under the curve is 1. So that means the entire area from negative infinity to infinity, that total area is 1. Okay? So all of your answers are 1. Okay? And they're always positive. So this is why it's a probability distribution, because no matter what you choose, each one of these numbers will be between 0 and 1. Okay? Alright.